Same thing, a skosh faster. Here we go, starting on D major. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. And D major. C add 9. Yeah, now G. 2. Let's keep with the half notes. We'll keep with the half notes. And G, 2, 3. We're going to ramp it up to quarter notes in another few bars. 2, 3, D major. 3, 4. I'm sorry I missed my half note there, didn't I? 2, 3, I got it this time. Now what we want are quarter notes. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One, down to C, down to G.